Friends, here our concept is different instructions or commands to write or create a Docker file. See, we are on the way to create Docker file, but before going to create or write your Docker file, we have to know different instructions or commands. Now let me go with them one by one. The very first instruction is from, and using this from instruction, we can mention the base image for our custom image. Be clear, this is mandatory and must be the first command in your Docker file. Then next one is maintainer. So using this, we can write the name and email address of the image creator. Anyway, this is optional. If you want, we can use it. Next one is run. So using run, we can execute any command, our Linux command, and we can save that result as a new layer in our custom image. See, assume that we have to create a container from some image, but that image should have let's say some package called Nginx. So if your base image is not having a package called Nginx, then using this run command while implementing your Docker file, we will do something like run yum install Nginx, so that Nginx package will be added as a layer on top of your base image, so that from that custom image, whenever if you launch your container, it will get automatically Nginx package. So simply to execute your commands in your image, we are using run instruction. Then copy. Actually for copy, we have two types of instructions. One is copy and second one is add. But there is a difference between copy and add. Simply if you take copy, that copy instruction will copy a file from your source. Source here is nothing but your Docker host, a file or directory from your Docker host into your image. But if you go with add, it will do same as your copy. Along with that, we can directly download some file with URL, and that file you can copy it into your Docker image. Not only that, we can also extract a tar file and then we can copy that into your Docker image with the help of add instruction. Anyway, we will see while implementing our custom images with the help of Docker file. Then command. See, it can be used for executing a specific command within the container. Be clear, whenever if you write some commands with command instruction, those commands will execute within the container. So after creating our image, custom image, we will launch container. So inside of a container, if you want to execute any command, then we will use this command as the instruction to execute your commands. Then we have entry point as well. See, it sets a default application to be used every time a container is created with the image. So actually there is a small confusion between command and entry point, but I will clarify that while implementing our Docker file. Based on requirement, I will take command as well as entry point, and sometimes both we will take. Then env, simply environment, just to set some environment variables for your container from your custom image. Next, expose. See, it associates a specific port to enable networking between the containers and the outside world. Then user, it sets the UID or username which is to run the container. Then volume, it is used to enable access from the container to a directory on the host machine. So as of now, we don't know about volumes concept, so you may get confused here. So simply remember that there is an instruction called volume. Next, work directory. See, it sets the path where the command defined with the command is to be executed. Then label. It allows you to add a label to your Docker image. So custom labels we can add using this label instruction. Then on build. A command that is triggered when the image in the Docker file is used as a base for another image. So here you may not understand about volume, work directory, label and on build, but we will see them while implementing our custom images. But for time being, just remember the names of your Docker file instructions or commands. So while implementing our Docker file based on requirement, you will be good with these instructions. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video.